Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. So I went to Home Goods today and I got this. I thought this was really nice. It was on sale. I picked up this shower liner and they have really good shower liners. Not a bad price either. Eco-friendly, all that great stuff. And then I got some cleaning cloths. We always need cleaning cloths, right? Let's see how much these were. This smells amazing. Today's video is all about decluttering my space for summer, kind of like a seasonal declutter. All right, I have some yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant in here. I'm gonna clean this off with disinfectant since it has been in a store. Before I even begin decluttering for my mental health, I wanna just go ahead and get this little marble tray set up. I'm gonna put some decor on it. It's not the decor that's gonna be on it, but eventually I will, create this nook to be really beautiful and special. But for right now, I don't have time for that, okay? If you're new here, I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life. So that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Show that like button some love as well. And also leave a comment down below. Today I decided to be brave and declutter, okay? And when I say declutter, this is an extreme declutter. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. If you were here for 2 videos ago, I decluttered then as well, but now I'm doing my closet. Can you even believe it? If you've been here for a while, you know I've been avoiding that closet for the last 5 years. I wanted to do a really quick speed clean in this bathroom, really focusing on the sink area and then the floor around the sink area. I just cleaned everything off with vinegar. For the sake of people who don't like to see toilet cleaning on YouTube, I did it off of camera, but I wanted to remind you to wash your hands. This entire space, well, not necessarily this side actually looks good. Has some blankets in there, they just need refolded, but over here is a hot mess, okay? Every time I open this drawer, I get what I need out of it and close it really quickly. I have a very clean home and I'm very proud of that because I learned from the best. However, the organization is not there, okay? It's more like organized chaos. Let me know if that's relatable. Here's what everything's looking like on the inside. So I'm gonna vacuum it out first and then I'm gonna clean it out with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. Although containers and organizers are not always needed, they definitely came in handy in this drawer. Over you, just another melody. Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day, I'll be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away, hop a train, cop a flight and ride. This looks way better than what it did. It has some sort of organization going on here. What do you think, Nori? Is it organized? Yeah. Okay, good. Thanks for helping me. Here's the trash that I got out of the drawer. This mirror was calling my name. First of all, it was dusty, so I dusted it off before I cleaned it. Definitely always dust first because there is nothing like cleaning something off with a wet cloth and then you have like all this gook on it because there's, dust that's wet now, and it's just so much easier to do it beforehand. Work smart, not hard. It's also been a while since I cleaned off these windows. How often are you cleaning off your windows? For me, I used to do it seasonally, but now if I see a blemish, I just clean it off because it will annoy the heck out of me. That's what anxiety does. That's why I'm telling you guys, I have to keep a clean house for my mental health, okay? Like, I am so serious. There is a known fact. There are statistics out there that let you know when you have a clean home, in a clutter-free space, your mind kind of follows suit. You're like setting the precedence for how life should be, how your day should be, how your mood should be, how your home should be. And it feels good for me. Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit Off to my bedroom. Now my desk drawers, also my nightstands are pretty bad. Here is what my desk drawer is looking like. I just want to show you prior to me organizing everything because I really decluttered a lot from here. For some reason it wasn't recording, but this is everything that I took out of the drawer. And here's what the drawer looks like. Obviously I want to keep that stuff in there because this is my desk that I actually do sit at when I work from home. And I need the lotion, I need the pens, I need these aren't post-it notes, postcards. You know what I'm saying, when you want to take notes down. Batteries for my mouse, that sort of thing. If you with me, we not staying home tonight. Let's have me go. And the pile is getting bigger. Here's what this drawer looks like. Ask me why I didn't do this a long time ago, and I'll tell you, I didn't feel like it. If there's something that I don't enjoy doing or I really don't want to do, I will procrastinate. Let me know if you're a procrastinator. I'm just cleaning this out with my magic concoction. I will say I have gotten a lot better because I realize that that's very toxic in a lot of ways. But let me tell you something, 5 years for a closet, that's huge. I could probably write a book about procrastinating. At any rate, I'm celebrating the fact that I'm getting my life together, not now, but right now, okay? I will say this until the cows come home. Celebrate every single milestone, big or small. Take this show on the road. He asked what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. There's always that one drawer. Well, for me, it's like all the drawers, but like this is a drawer of overflow. It's fine the way that it is, and I'm sure most of you think, oh my gosh, that's not organized. But for me, it is, okay? Because all of my drawers and closets and cabinets are a hot mess. This is everything from those drawers that I'm getting rid of. It doesn't look like a lot because I kind of stacked it on top of each other, but it actually is a lot of stuff that was in those drawers. So now I'm gonna do my nightstand. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. This is from my drawers. Sorry, the fan is on because I'm burning up. Super loud. I should probably fold all of these clothes before I move on to my bathroom. If you've been here for a while, you know I'm allergic to laundry and I try not to do it ever. But sometimes my husband travels and then I have to do laundry. Well, anyway, we got a new washer recently, so I'm gonna go in there and try to play around and see if I can figure out how to actually wash clothes without reading the directions. Let me know if you want to come along for that ride. My closet's in my bathroom. It's a hot mess. This is a bag from my closet, so I figure I can start off small. I don't have to do everything all at once. I'm gonna declutter this bag, see how I feel after that. If I'm not overwhelmed, I'll continue. If I am overwhelmed, I won't. Let me tell you something that I have learned late in life, okay? It is so important to pay attention to your feelings. Know how you feel when you're with certain people. Know how you feel when you're doing certain things. If something's overwhelming you, take a time out. It's okay to do that. So that was not so bad at all whatsoever. I can get rid of this entire bag, and then everything else I will find a home for. It's a lot of pictures, a lot of sentimental things. My grandfather's ties. My grandfather was the best man I've ever met in my entire life. Another thing that I've learned is how mean this world can be for no reason, okay? This world is so mean that it will have you believing that you're a horrible person. So what do I need you to do? I need you to look in that mirror and declare that you are an amazing human, that you are worthy, that you are enough, and you will not be defined by anything that anyone in this world says about you. As a matter of fact, it's really none of your business how anyone feels about you, especially if they're not paying your bills. Not the basket, but the tote that I just decluttered. All of that stuff that's on the floor was from the tote. And then remember, I had the bag that I decluttered. Right here is where the bag was. So I am feeling overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try my hardest to do some more. And I'm just gonna try to push myself. Look in that mirror and say, I am loved, I am worthy. Good things always come my way because I'm a good person. Say it until you feel it in your bones. Declare it forever. Say it until it makes you emotional to the point where you're breaking down and crying because you are finally knowing your worth. If you need a cheerleader, I got you, okay? Just start working on you, becoming a better you so that you're good for yourself and everyone around you. I am so excited to hear each and every one of your testimonies on how you're getting yourself together mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and just being a better human being. And by the way, don't forget to celebrate that growth. That moment that you finally realize that all of these coats and jackets you have a place and a home downstairs in the closet. That way I can just buy myself more clothes. Ooh, I hope my husband does not watch this. I want to point out the fact that I'm only cleaning my half of the closet because I don't know how my husband wants stuff organized. He's a much better organizational person than I am anyway. This is my Shark vac mop, and let me tell you something. It was so dusty in here. I gave you guys a before shot, so this half of the closet has been organized. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so proud of myself because I was so stressed out. I'm not even gonna lie. And now your girl has something to celebrate. The fact that I actually got it done.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right.
There's a lot of clothes in here. There's all kinds of different things that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna get rid of all of that. Again, my fan is following me because I am burning up. But overall, I'm so satisfied. I'm glad I did it. I'm exhausted. Since I was moving a lot of things around in my closet and putting things on the bathroom sink, well, one of the bathroom sinks, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a really quick speed clean in my bathroom as well. But first, we gotta bag up these clothes. Some of them are being donated and the other ones are being thrown away. If you've made it this far, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so much. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. Thank you again so much for being here. I hope all of you have an amazing week, and don't forget to say those affirmations. Continue to love on yourself and your healing is coming, I promise you. This is definitely a celebration because some of these things I was holding on to for no apparent reason, okay?